Welcome to the EMNLP 2021 tutorial, Crowdsourcing Beyond Annotation, Case Studies in Benchmark Data Collection. This tutorial will be presented by
Alane Suhr from Cornell University.
Sam Bowman from New York University.
Maarten from the University of Washington, the Alane Institute for AI, and next year, Carnegie Mellon University.
Clara Vania from Amazon.
Nikita Nangia from New York University.
Yatskar from the University of Pennsylvania.
And myself, Yoav Artzi, from Cornell University. The tutorial exposes NLP researchers to data collection, crowdsourcing methods, and principles through a detailed discussion of a diverse set of case studies. We will provide the necessary background and discuss in detail multi-NLI, NLVR, serial bar, QUAC, and social IQA. The tutorial will be presented in a hybrid mode. Videos will be segmented into sections for comfortable viewing, and will be available via the conference system during EMNLP. Following the conference, all videos will be made publicly available at the tutorial website.
We hope you will join us virtually through our videos
Or in person at EMNLP 2021.